Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says which of the following is incorrect with respect to Klinefelter syndrome. Options है A, the fusion of an abnormal egg with a normal sperm. Option B, the fusion of a normal egg with an abnormal sperm. Option C, the fusion of a normal egg with a normal sperm. और option D, an additional copy of X chromosome. तो इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए we will use the key concept of Klinefelter syndrome. तो Klinefelter syndrome एक क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर है जो यूजुअली अफेक्ट करते हैं मेल्स को. So it is a chromosomal disorder और जो मेल्स होते हैं they show reduced development of male primary and secondary sexual characteristic. तो जैसे कि हमें पता है that human males are XY, यानी कि both the sex chromosomes are different, whereas human females are XX. तो इस पर्टिकुलर क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर का ओरिजिन को हम बोलते हैं एन्यूप्लॉइडी. So aneuploidy is an alteration in the number of a particular chromosome. अब ये क्रोमोसोम ऑटोसोम भी हो सकता है और it could be a sex chromosome. Aneuploidy condition usually arise करता है due to the phenomenon of non-disjunction of chromosome. तो जैसे कि हमें पता है that during the anaphase stage both of meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 the homologous chromosome और the sister chromosome दो opposite poles की तरफ move करते हैं and after that they form the haploid cell. So एक haploid cell में there is only one set of chromosome. पर अगर ये phenomenon सही से ना हो it is called the non-disjunction of chromosome और both the chromatids और the homologous chromosome एक ही पोल की तरफ migrate करते हैं. So under such a scenario, it could give rise to abnormal haploid cells, जहां की instead of carrying a single X chromosome or a single Y chromosome, it could have both the XX chromosome or both the XY chromosome. और Klinefelter syndrome में usually there is an extra copy of the X chromosome. So ये X chromosome ओवा से भी आ सकता है या फिर स्पर्म से भी आ सकता है. So if we go back to the question, which of the following is incorrect with respect to Klinefelter syndrome? The fusion of an abnormal egg with a normal sperm, ये correct है. Option B, the fusion of a normal egg with an abnormal sperm, ये भी हो सकता है. And option D, it is characterized by an additional copy of X chromosome, ये भी सही है. So the incorrect statement is statement C. So the final answer to our question is option C, the fusion of a normal egg with a normal sperm. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.